Microsoft Word documents have a number of features which are useful for collaborative work. The first feature is the ability to leave comments. I'm going to demonstrate that now. You can highlight a selection, then select Insert Comment. That opens up a small area on the right-hand side where you can type a message. When someone else opens the same document later on, they will see the messages which you have left for them. However, it's important to adjust the view settings of documents when you are doing collaborative editing, otherwise these comments will not be visible. I'm now going to demonstrate the different view settings. It's best to have Final Showing Markup selected as the view setting. Other view settings are Final, Original Showing Markup, and Original. About the only time that it's beneficial to adjust the viewing settings is if a document has a significant amount of adjustments made by other members. Another feature of the Microsoft Word documents, which is very beneficial for the purpose of collaborative editing, is the Track Changes feature, which makes it so that someone else can edit a document. However, any changes which they make will be highlighted in several ways, and it will still be possible to view the original content and go back to the original content if you wish. I will demonstrate this now. This is the Track Changes icon. All of these icons which I'm accessing are all available through the menus at the top. I've now turned Track Changes on, so if I make changes, such as deleting some text, it will show up. Someone else would be able to open this document and then see what had been deleted. Another way that changes are tracked and made easy to locate is that a small line will appear on the left-hand side. Notice the location of my cursor. I'm identifying the line now. When someone changes words, you will see that their text appears in a different color, and it is also underlined. Once again, it's important to view the document using the Final Showing Markup option. Otherwise, things like this will not appear. I'll demonstrate this now. On the original view, the markup, or the content which was previously displayed, is no longer displayed. The way that Track Changes identifies different members is through their name, and that is something that can be adjusted if necessary by going to Tools, Options, User Information. If you change the username, then any further changes which you make on the document after closing it and reopening it will be tracked as a different user. And this has several benefits. One is that the document is going to automatically assign different colors of text to different users, and so this would allow one user to then use a different color of text or be assigned one during each revision of the document. Additionally, sometimes Microsoft Word will assign a color which is difficult to read, such as light gray. If this occurs, you can just change your username, close the document, reopen it, and you will be reassigned a new color. So if you ever have a low visibility color, now you know how to get one which has higher visibility. The next feature which is useful for collaboration is the document map feature. I'm going to turn this on now by going to the View menu and clicking on Document Map. A document map is like an index. As you can see, it appears on the left-hand side, and clicking on different things which are within the index will jump to different locations in the document. I am now going to demonstrate how to control these locations and control what appears in the document map or index. To start out, I'm going to click on Styles and Formatting. That opens the Styles and Formatting menu on the right-hand side. I'm going to highlight all text and select Normal. Doing that clears the document map. You'll notice that doing that also caused all of the formatting changes, of which many were applied, to appear in the markup. As you can see, it's not always beneficial to have track changes enabled. If this occurs to you, you can hold down Control and Z to undo your recent action. You can disable track changes and then perform your action again. Track changes is now disabled. I'll perform my action again. And my changes are no longer tracked this time. I will now re-enable track changes. As you can see, the document map or index area is now blank. The text that will appear in this area is controlled by the use of Heading 1, Heading 2, and Heading 3 under the Styles and Formatting menu. I'll now highlight some text and set it to Heading 1. As you can see, that text now appears in the document map. I will now set some text as Heading 2